This is a MagSafe wireless charger for the iPhone that you can build for just under 1500 rupees, and here's how you can build it. All you need are two things. One is this is a Ambrain MagSafe charger which is available for 799. This is 15-watt charger, and you don't need the official Apple MagSafe charger for this. And this is the 3D printed case, so if you have a 3D printer you can print it. Otherwise you can reach out to any 3D printing service to get this printed. The link of the STL file is given in the description. You can also contact me if you need this 3D printed case. The next thing you need to do is you need to insert the cable. There's a pass-through hole here where you can pass on the USB Type-C cable, and then insert this. This snaps on this, and once this is done you can connect it to the power source, and voila, your wireless charging stand, MagSafe charging stand, is ready. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more DIY videos like this. We are resuming our channel and actively posting videos, so make sure you subscribe to our channel to stay updated, and thank you for watching. Have a great time.